Good day. Let's talk about the Lumix S5II and ProRes on Ninja 5. Not the RAW, just the regular ProRes. What it offers and how to set it up. So let's see what are our options here. First, you cannot record 6K OpenGate externally at all. You cannot record ProRes 5.6K externally either. If you want to record in 5.6K resolution externally, you must get the paid ProRes RAW upgrade. The highest resolution that you are able to record with Lumix S5II and Ninja 5 out of the box is C4K or DCI 4K at 23.97p, 29.97p and 59.94p. You can also record through 24p. Of course, the same goes for UHD. The Ninja 5 doesn't support 48 frames per second, so you can only record it internally. What is the advantage of using Ninja 5 and recording in ProRes? Lumix S5II offers only long GOP, which is good enough most of the time. But if you want more details in your footage, you need all-intra codec. And the only way to get it is by recording ProRes externally. The footage that benefits from all-I usually has movement in it, like water or leaves on a windy day. Let's look at some examples. I was hoping that using external ProRes will help to reduce the Moire effect, like it does with some Blackmagic cameras. But unfortunately, it isn't the case with Lumix S5II. The Moire is still there when recording internally in long GOP and externally in all-I. Okay, let me show you now how to connect the S5II and Ninja 5. Okay, first go to your camera menu, to monitor display 1, to power save mode, and make sure these two functions are off. On your Ninja 5, go to Input and make sure that Panasonic is chosen. Vlog and vgamut. Here, sometimes with Panasonic cameras the device will show as unknown, but don't worry about it. Then go to Record and choose ProRes. HQ, LT or 422. Press Confirm. In order to trigger a recording on the camera and Ninja at the same time, you need to go to the video menu, then image format, timecode, and make sure that HDMI timecode output is set to on.
Then go to the cog menu, HDMI record output, and make sure that HDMI recording control is also set to on. This will allow you to trigger both camera and Ninja at the same time.
So, how about you? Are you using the regular ProRes in your work? What is your experience? Please, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.